Okay, this will just be a first impressions review of this Suzuki Celerio. So kind of like a car review, but anyway, it's within the speed limits only here within the MOA concert guts. But I'll take this. I might not get the chance to drive the new Celerio very soon, so this is my closest chance to drive one. And first impressions immediately. Inside, of course, here just in the parking lots, very easy to drive, to be honest. And I'm very surprised with this AGS. It kind of feels like a manual. It won't automatically upshift, but what I know, it acts like a single clutch, but as they say. Yeah, you even have to lift off the throttle to change a gear. That's actually so fun. So this Suzuki Celerio kind of has like a race car feel. And yes, steering wheel, okay, I forgive it. It might be too light for some. Like it's like dead light. There's not much of feedback, but for me it's not too bad if you're just driving around here in the city over a hump. Okay, that soaks up the bumps pretty well. So not bad for this small little car. Also just a little bit faster. Okay, this AGS is not bad. Pasok tayo sa na. This AGS unit is not bad. Yeah, it does feel like a race car. I mean, to change up and down. To change up, you have to pull it to go up a gear and then push down to change down. It is a very weird experience, but it's definitely fun to use. And thank you. Also, I just found out now where the window switches are. Usually they're here, but it's actually in the middle. Very Chrysler-like. That's actually so fun. And also this AGS, I was a bit intimidated at first because there's no park gear at all. Your park brake is literally this handbrake. And also this AGS unit is gated. The layout's a bit weird, but it's not too bad. You'll get used to it pretty quickly. I got used to it pretty quickly as well. Alright, our turn in the course here. There is a lot of people here. Most of the big players are here as well. And then there's actually a proving ground here. I actually had no clue there was a proving ground here. So let's try out this new Celerio. This is gonna be fun. Oh, okay, I'm in automatic mode. It already shifted up by itself. Okay, I forgot. I had no idea how this AGS works at all. So it's just like a conventional automatic. And then here in the proving ground, there are a lot of humps here. So let's try it out. Okay, that's not bad for Celerio. For this Celerio, it's not bad. Yeah, you can feel the bumps here and there, but it's no means an uncomfortable car, I must say. Okay, that is not bad at all. Then what, reverse? And also, I found that this is very dirty. Yeah, this thing is so light, but it's so easy to like throw around in city speeds. And the end range surprisingly here is not bad at all, I must say. Yeah, I'm going over a car park. It's very rough here, the road, the concrete here. Yeah, I'm just, oh look, traveling 20, 30 kilometers per hour. There's not much tire noise as well. Okay, I have not driven a Celerio, but I have definitely ridden one only. This is way better than the previous generation, I must say. Okay, this Celerio is, I must say, it is the perfect city sleeper. Like, of course, you're just driving around here in the city. Highway, I've yet to try it, but over here, just around, yeah, as in the city, like here, example, in a car park only, it is perfect for this kind of condition. This is perfect here. And also, this AGS is 5-speed lang to, sir, no? Okay, I'm ready, like what, as I said, 20 kilometers an hour. It will be eager to shift up to second. That's what I noticed. And also, actually, okay, it's registering the fuel economy. Just here, around the park club, very slow speeds. 7.4 kilometers per liter. Wow, that's really fuel efficient. Just a very slight delay, but it's not a very noticeable delay. It will like just try to kick down and then lurch you forward. Okay, this AGS is actually good. So yeah, this concludes my quick drive of this all-new Suzuki Celerio AGS. I would like to thank Sir FJ and Sir Alex for allowing me to have this short vlog with this new Suzuki Celerio, and I gotta give it back because I'm very excited to drive a Jimny. That'll be another video already coming up. So hope you guys like and subscribe, and I will see you with the quick drive or a car review with the Suzuki Jimny. Bye bye.